Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's lecture we are going to study some basic Cisco IOS commands, network security as well, very fundamentals. So let me grab a switch here. If you do not have a packet tracer, then you will need to download it from Cisco Network Academy if you have an account here. So let me start to grab Cisco switch. I'm going to use this switch, okay, which is 3560, the model. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to double click it in order to have access to the command line interface. See here. So the switch has already booted, okay. Now is asking me, would you like to enter the initial configuration dialog? This means that there is no configuration at all in the switch. If you type yes, then the switch will carry on to ask you questions. If you type no, then this means that you need to administer the switch, yeah? You're going to tell the switch what to do, with other words. All right? Right, so here, if you type question mark, then you will see which commands are available here in user exec mode, because we are in user exec mode here, right? Okay. So what we'll do is that we're going to enable mode or privilege exec mode, enable enter. So we are now in enable mode, yeah? Likewise, if you type the show command and then question mark, so you will see all available commands here. And if you hit the space bar, you will see the next page and so on. So question mark, space bar, next and space bar, and so on. So now let us check the clock show. Clock we can type, yeah, enter. See here is 1993, but we can change it to the current one. All right, yeah. So you can even type show history, yeah, to see which commands you have used. All right. There's another command which I often use, especially when I do the troubleshooting, that is show IP interface brief. Okay, this command will show you integrated fast Ethernet interfaces on the switch, the built-in, which are built on the switch, yeah. Okay, so show IP interface brief will also verify IP related information and available interfaces, whether the interface is up or down. That is how you check. Yeah, you can also check. Let me say we have fast Ethernet 01 up to 24 ports, and we also have gigabit Ethernet 1 and 2. So if I want to check specifically port fast Ethernet 01, then I can type show IP interface, and then we have fast Ethernet 01. This means I only want to check these interface ID and IP related, what is configured, MAC address, and so on and so on. But we can see here that the line protocol is down. This means that there is nothing configured on this interface. We can also type show users, yeah, to see which users are here available and so on. List of the users who are active here. Okay, thank you for now. Bye.